that. See that? It opens the door for me. Door sucks it in by itself. This is a 2025 BMW 780i. I'm going to do a LED driving lights. That goes here. It comes with mounting and wire harnesses to run the wire. Alright, so to run this cable for the power line, as you can see, this one has the lever that goes up and down. So if you don't want to deal with the check engine light, because if you block this, if you put wire through one of these holes, that damper is not going to open that gives you check engine light. So if you look on the left hand side corner, right here by my fingertip, there is an opening. Again, it's on the left hand side, about 7 inches deep. There is a hole, rectangular hole. So put a snake, we put that snake up and we were able to grab it here. So we're going to go to the main battery connection here. I'm just going to turn this knob. There's a lock and unlock symbol here. Underneath, there is a main battery connection right there. So you're going to connect that. What a beautiful car. Look at this. Never saw any ambient lights like that. Anyway. Came with a switch, so we're gonna stick the switch right here. So we are running the wire. Main battery connection, as I said, is right there, power and the ground. So you get the red wire and black wire, tap onto the battery and the switch. Of course, we're gonna have to cut this. Hope they made a plug for this. We don't have to cut, but every one of them, these kit, comes with a big fat plug like that. So we end up cutting it and reattach once we put it back into the vehicle. Inside, so we cut the wire obviously because this plug doesn't fit, and we're going to solder this back on. And the wire down here. We made a hole, and you should be able to put your finger on the top side of it and put the nut on the top and tighten that bolt and nut right there. This, on the part of it here, there is a little cutout. So you should be able to put your fingers up there and put nut on it and tighten the bolt from the bottom up. So you're going to make a hole underneath. This way, nut goes on the top. So mount it like that. Like that.